A 6-week hosepipe ban has begun in Dublin, South Tipperary, parts of Kildare, Meath, Wexford and Wicklow. The ban is because of concerns about water shortages during the prolonged hot spell. Meanwhile, retailers have complained that a request to stop selling disposable barbecues to help guard against wildfires is disproportionate.
Ireland is set to continue to bask in the sunshine, and for many the hot dry spell means barbecues and time outside. But after a wildfire in Kildare last week, believed to have been caused by a disposable barbecue, retailers have been asked to voluntarily suspend selling them amid concerns over their safety.
People bring them out and then they leave them, and it looks like the fire's gone out, it looks like the charcoal has cooled down, but it's extremely hot for hours and hours after, and they're left on dry vegetation, on grass. It's going to lead to a fire.
Most people will be using the barbecues in a responsible fashion, and why should we always be thinking that you have to ban things and prohibit things and the like? There are other ways of acting.
They're a bit dangerous this time of the year, especially like at beaches and, parks.
I think you should still be able to buy a disposable barbecue and use it properly.
Yeah, they just shouldn't sell them. I mean, the fact that fire can do so much damage.
Stupid people shouldn't be allowed to get things. I mean, I've been using them my whole life and I've had a fire.
Met Éireann has issued a new status yellow weather warning coming into effect tomorrow afternoon for parts of the south and southwest. A separate high temperature warning is already in effect for much of the country until tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, a 6-week hosepipe ban has come into force across Dublin, South Tipperary, parts of Kildare, Meath, Wexford and Wicklow in an effort to conserve water.
It might seem like the perfect barbecue weather, but authorities have appealed to people to think twice before lighting up disposable barbecues like this one, and also to do what they can to conserve water as pressure on water supply continues. Aisling Kenny, RTE News.